Hi, I'm Joe Sawyer, the Superintendent of the Shrewsbury Public Schools. I'm recording this video on Friday afternoon, September 11th, thanks to the help of Liz Poplowski at the Shrewsbury Media Connection. I want to let you know that our educators, support staff, and leadership team have been working incredibly hard to prepare for the start of the school year, which begins on Tuesday, September 15th for students. This will be a school year unlike any other we've ever experienced, and we've been focusing on three key things as we plan. First, making the health and well-being of students, families, and staff our number one priority. Second, developing a safe school environment for our students and staff that prioritizes everyone's well-being and enables high levels of learning for all. And third, utilizing guidance from the Massachusetts Department of Elementary and Secondary Education, public health authorities, and also closely monitoring the latest information from medical experts, as well as the evolving data regarding the pandemic both in Massachusetts and specifically in Shrewsbury. There is a wealth of specific information that has been sent out to families and it's on our website, including our district reopening plan, specific reopening plans for each of our 9 schools, plus information in a variety of formats, from webinars to slide decks to videos. I did send a slide deck to families on September 10th that I ask all parents and caretakers to review with their students in an age-appropriate way, so that students are aware of the important ways in which school will look and feel different if they are attending part of the week in person in our hybrid model. The most important messages I want to emphasize with families are these. First, it's very, very important to check how students are feeling every morning, and that students not come to school if they're not feeling well. We need our families to partner with us to make sure that if a student has symptoms that are listed on the checklist that's been provided, that you play it safe and stay home. Our staff need to do the same. In order to protect each other, we all need to play it safe when it comes to staying home when you don't feel well. When in school, follow the precautions that reduce risk. Wear your mask, wash or sanitize your hands, and maintain physical distance as expected. Through these actions, we will protect each other and ourselves. When not in school, follow health precautions as well. We've been doing really well in Shrewsbury in recent weeks, with a COVID test positivity rate that's been dropping. That's this week's only 0.4%, and a very small number of cases, only 6 new cases in the past week, out of our entire population of about 38,000 people. We do not want to be a community where COVID spreads because of an irresponsible decision by some to attend a large gathering while not wearing masks. If we all act responsibly, we'll continue to slow the spread and keep our numbers as low as possible. We all know, of course, that no one can guarantee 100% safety regarding protection from COVID-19, but I want you to know that we are taking the steps we need to in order to mitigate the risk so that we can welcome many of our students back in person starting next week. We have prepared extensively to enhance the safety of our schools, and we've worked to adapt our educational program so that both the students attending our hybrid program and those who are going to be entirely remote are well served under the situation. Since this is something we've never done before, I'm sure it won't be perfect, and we will need to continue to adapt and improve. I do ask for everyone's continued patience, flexibility, and grace as we navigate these challenging and complex circumstances. I deeply appreciate everything our staff and families are doing to help us launch a successful reopening of our schools, and I'm confident that as a result, we are becoming an even stronger school community, which ultimately will benefit our students. Thank you very much for your continued support, and I look forward to welcoming our students back next week. Thank you.